To process preset department sales on the SE-S400 cash register, you need the key in the reg position and you simply press the department to sell. So that department 1 is goods, £1.99, we've sold that. Department 6, goods B, £10. If you want to sell multiples of a department, it's dead easy. You can either double tap for 2 of them, or if there's a lot, say for example 10 times department 1, there's a multiply key on the till. So you type in the number of items, so let's say 10, you press the multiply button and then you press the relevant department key. Once you've entered all your department sales, you can press subtotal and then type in the amount of money tendered if it's a cash payment. So let's say in this case they've handed over £60, 6000, and then you press the tender button, cash amount tend. If you've got it in receipt mode, you get a receipt printout. The change is displayed on screen and also on the receipt. For more information, please visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.